Taiwan's military showed off its latest domestically produced armored vehicle on Thursday, the CM-34 Clouded Leopard, at a remote manufacturing site in the mountains of the central part of the island. Taiwan has been keen to demonstrate its resolve to defend itself against China, which claims the democratically governed island as its own territory. While Taiwan relies on the United States for many of its weapons, like fighter jets, President has been pushing for a greater emphasis on Taiwanese-designed and made armaments, the most high-profile of which is new submarines. The 8-wheeled CM-34, which entered service in 2019, is armed with the Mk-44 Bushmaster 30 m chain gun, and with an effective firing range of 3 km. It is designed to be highly mobile, operating in all weathers,